Welcome to Best Pick. Top 5 Best Toshiba Smart Microwave in 2021. Top 1. Toshiba NLEM34P SS Smart Countertop Microwave Oven compatible with Alexa, humidity sensor and sound on-off function, 1100W, 1.3 cubic feet, stainless steel. Model name NLEM34P SS. Brand Toshiba. Color stainless steel. Material stainless steel. Human interface input buttons. Installation type built-in. Capacity 1.3 cubic feet. Item dimensions LXWXH 20.4 x 16.6 x 12.4 inches. Item weight 35.05 pounds. Lock type child lock available. About this item. Hands-free operation. This microwave is integrated with Alexa and using an Echo device, not included, brings convenience by allowing hands-free operation by voice command or app control. Updating preset menus. Preset menus include 23 popular foods like popcorn, pizza, vegetable and more. Built-in humidity sensor. Humidity sensor automatically adjusts cooking power to achieve optimum heating. Sound on-off function. Sound on-off button allows you to stop the annoying beep when the cook finishing. Thus, don't worry to wake your family members or roomie up. Energy-saving features. LED cavity light and energy-saving ECO mode helps reduce energy consumption. Included components: 1 microwave oven, 1 manual instruction book, 1 turntable plate. Top 2. Toshiba EM131A5 ZBS Microwave Oven with Smart Sensor Easy Clean Interior, ECO mode and sound on-off, 1.2 cubic feet, black stainless steel. Model name EM131A5 ZBS Microwave Oven with Smart Sensor, brand Toshiba. Color black stainless steel. Material stainless steel. Human interface input keypad, buttons. Installation type countertop. Capacity 1.2 cubic feet. Item dimensions LXWXH 17.14 x 20.51 x 12.83 inches. Item weight 34.6 pounds. Number of power levels 10. About this item. Pre-programmed sensor menu for optimum heating of popular foods like pizza, potatoes, veggies and more. Rated voltage, 120V, 60 Hz. Black stainless steel exterior, 20.5 x 17.1 x 12.8 inch, WXDXH, large 1.2 cubic feet capacity, cavity 13.07 x 15 x 9.5 inch, WXDXH, turntable 12.4 inch, diameter. 1100 watts with 10 power settings, clock, and kitchen timer. Large digital display, easy-to-read control panel, glass turntable. 1100 watts with 10 power settings, clock, and kitchen timer. 1 touch start popcorn and 2 defrost settings, custom or 1 pound auto defrost. Turntable diameter, 12.4 inches. Large digital display, easy-to-read control panel, power saving mode, sound on-off option, glass turntable. Rated input power, microwave, 1550 watt, 1550 watt. Top 3. Toshiba ECO42A5 CSS Countertop Microwave Oven with Convection, Smart Sensor, Sound On-Off Function and LCD Display, 1.5 Cu.ft, Stainless Steel. Model name ECO42A5 CSS. Brand Toshiba. Color stainless steel. Material stainless steel. Human interface input keypad, buttons. Installation type countertop. Capacity 1.5 cubic feet. Item dimensions LXWXH 21.73 x 21.38 x 12.83 inches. Item weight 44.8 pounds. Lock type child lock available. About this item. Stylish stainless steel finish with easy to clean stainless steel interior, External dimension, WXDXH, 21.8 x 21.5 x 13 inches. Internal dimension, WXDXH, 15.5 x 15.35 x 10.2 inches. Combines microwave and convection cooking in one appliance, with auto bake and auto roast menus. Pre-programmed sensor menu for optimum result of popular foods like frozen pizza, potato, vegetables and more. One-touch popcorn button and warm hold function, equipped with power-saving eco mode, sound on-off option and child safety lock. 1000 watts with 10 power settings, clock, and kitchen timer, bright digital display, easy-to-read control panel, LED cavity light and 13.6-inch glass turntable. If you wish to mute the buzzer of the microwave, please long press on the button 8 for 3 to 5 seconds. The buzzer is automatically switched off after a long beep. The keypad is covered by a protective film during shipment. Please peel it off before first use. 1 year, please keep the packaging for contacting Toshiba after sales service and product returns. Top 4. Toshiba MLEC42P, BS, microwave oven with healthy air fairy, smart sensor, easy to clean interior and ECO mode, 1.5 Cu.ft, black stainless steel. Model name MLEC42P, BS. Brand Toshiba. Color black stainless steel. Material stainless steel. Human interface input keypad, buttons. Capacity 1.5 cubic feet. Item dimensions LXWXH 21.8 x 21.5 x 13 inches. Lock type child lock available. Number of power levels 10. Energy consumption 1750 watts. About this item. Stylish appearance, black stainless steel finish with easy to clean stainless steel interior. Healthy air fairy, enjoy healthy fried food without deep frying. Smart humidity sensor, pre-programmed sensor menu for optimum result of popular foods like potato, frozen vegetable and more. Energy-saving features, LED cavity light and energy-saving ECO mode helps reducing energy consumption. Convenience features, bright digital display, easy-to-read control panel, speedy cooking, multi-stage cooking, child safety lock, clock and kitchen timer, mute function. Product specs, 1000 watts microwave power with 10 power settings, external dimension, WDH, 21.8 x 21.5 x 13 inches, internal dimension, WDH, 15.5 x 15.35 x 10.2 inches, f13.6 position memory turntable. Included components, 1 turntable, 1 manual, 1 grill rack, 1 grill tray. Top 5. Toshiba EM925A5ASS microwave oven with sound on-off ECO mode and LED lighting, 0.9 cubic foot per 900W, stainless steel. Model name EM925A5ASS. Brand Toshiba. Color stainless steel. Material stainless steel. Human interface input keypad, buttons. Installation type countertop. Capacity 0.9 cubic feet. Item dimensions LXWXH 15.91 x 19.15 x 11.48 inches. Item weight 27.3 pounds. Lock type child lock available. See less. About this item. Stylish stainless steel with timeless design, external dimension, WDH, 19. 215. 911. 5 inches, internal dimension, WDH, 12. 3613. 668. 7 inches. Pre-programmed menu for 6 popular foods like popcorn, pizza, potato and more. Rated voltage is 120 V 60 Hz. One touch start, quick access to start the microwave from 1 to 6 minutes cooking at full power. Rated input power, microwave, 1350W, equipped with power-saving eco mode, sound on-off option and child safety lock. 900 watts with 10 power settings, clock, and kitchen timer. bright digital display, easy-to-read control panel, LED cavity light and 10.6-inch glass turntable. If you wish to mute the buzzer of the microwave, please long press on the button 8 for 3 to 5 seconds. The buzzer is automatically switched off after a long beep. Check out the description link for more information. Thanks for watching. Please like and share, don't forget to subscribe.